Wondering about the pros and cons of having SafePal Wallet? In this video, I'll list down its pros and cons. SafePal Wallet is a comprehensive cryptocurrency wallet suite offering both hardware and software solutions. I would say some of its pros are affordability. SafePal is one of the most budget-friendly hardware wallets out there. User-friendly interface. I'd recommend it for both beginners and experienced users. Wide cryptocurrency support. It supports over 10,000 cryptocurrencies, catering a diverse range of digital assets. Security. SafePal provides robust protection for user assets. Meanwhile, some of its disadvantages are limited third-party integrations. SafePal is designed to work exclusively with its mobile app. Closed-source software, making the software potentially vulnerable and less transparent. Battery life. It kinda shortens the battery life of my device, requiring me to charge frequently. Overall, SafePal Wallet is a good choice when you're up for a user-friendly interface and budget-friendly solution. Comment down below what you think. Thanks for watching!